Hey sis, so welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and we back at it with another DIY. So y'all, we do a bunch of DIYs over here. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of upcycle and revamping, starting clothes from scratch, whatever you could think of, we do it over here. So go ahead and subscribe. And also y'all, we do vlogs every Friday, like with Susie. But anyway, let's get into this bag though, y'all. So my client brought me this bag. Her man bought it for her. They was gonna be matching or whatever, but the bag was way bigger than she expected. So she of course came to the code is the best or whatever. So she wanted a bag, a thong, and a shirt made out of this. So I made a smaller bag is what I'm doing right here. If y'all want me to like slow down and get into detail, but I'm pretty sure you can keep up. It's pretty simple. So I just kept it simple and went ahead and did a smaller purse. So y'all, as y'all seen in the beginning, I was taking off one of the little tags from inside of this bag. We're going to use that later on in the video, so make sure y'all stay tuned so y'all can see what we do with that. And also y'all, this is the thong. So this video is not 100% detailed, but I went ahead and used the Cricut machine and cut out these letters so we can get it to us as close as a Marni shirt as possible. So y'all, I am putting them on the bag, and as you can see, I'm putting them in different areas so we can have like different little pattern pieces on here. And then I am going to take my time and cut these out. You definitely want to be easy with this because this right here is just a little tedious because you want it to look very neat and you want clean cuts or whatever. So that's what I'm doing here, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. When I was finished with the final and finishing look, oh my god, my client loved it, and I'm just like, wow, so Susie collection has been snapping. Like, yo, I am a brand. Like, Susie is a freaking brand, y'all. My babe keep telling me he that I keep reminding him of Dapper Dan, y'all. So, yeah. But right here, you can see I'm just using the X-Acto knife to get it. And this is what it's looking like. And y'all, as I put this on, the shirt is, as you can see, it kind of clashed. So on the Marni bag, it did have red writing, so I went in with some red thread. And as you can see right here, I am using some mask tape to keep these in the place that I wanted, and it actually worked, y'all. And this part was a little hard because the shirt was already put together, and I just had to work around the shirt, the little neck part on the sewing machine. So it was a little headache, but I figured it out. So we went in here with some red thread to kind of wake it up so you can actually see what it say. And this is what it's looking like. And then we're going to take that tag and put it at the bottom of the shirt to make it official. Okay. And yeah, with the thongs. I'm sorry I'm talking through this whole video, but I hope y'all keeping up with me. I'm going ahead and use some bias tape to put on the side so we can give it like a nice clean little look and just wake up and give it a little flavor. So we doing this all around the little thong part. And y'all, I was just like, when she said a thong, I'm like, this is gonna be so uncomfortable. But I made it to the point where I put like silk in the area that was needed, and I'm using this bias tape so it don't like cut like a leg and shit, cause like of the material that it is. But I be outdoing myself, y'all. So y'all, we made these little sides, but when she came to try it on, she couldn't fit it, so I end up having to do, this is the silk part right here. So I end up having to do something a little different with the side parts. I had added elastic band, but I didn't show y'all that part because when she came, I did it, and then it's like I didn't have time to record it. She was trying it on, and we was trying to figure it out, but it all worked out, and I love how it came out. Her and her boo put they shit on. It was his birthday or whatever, and yeah, I just like how it came out. So let me know if y'all got any questions on here or whatever. But this is me adding the little silk part in the crotch area of the thong. And like I said, I did have to make a couple alterations. I had to make the little silk part a little longer because like I wasn't thinking like the material wasn't going to stretch well. I knew that, but I didn't think about it at the time. So yeah, But this is what the thong is looking like, and this is the final finishing look of everything that's finished. And then stay tuned so y'all can see my client with it on, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and all social media platforms. I love you guys so much, and I'm out. Peace.